Kyle from Liberty Safe here with a question. What can you expect when your safe is delivered? Whether you've recently purchased a home or gun safe, or you're still trying to decide on the model you want, you may be unsure about the delivery process. We're here to walk you through the steps of getting that big metal box in your home. In today's video, we're covering 4 topics. Is your safe delivery discreet? Will the movers be careful with your floor? How do they move such a big, heavy box? And will they clean up after themselves? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect when your safe arrives. Stick around until the end, where we give you the 5 questions to ask your vendor to make sure your delivery day goes as smoothly as possible. Let's start with question 1. How discreet is a safe delivery? First and foremost, many delivery companies will show up in an unmarked truck. That way, no one in the neighborhood or passing by will know you've purchased a safe. If this is important to you, double check with the safe company to make sure their trucks are unmarked. Next, the team will unload the safe. Many safe companies deliver their safes in a big, nondescript box. If you haven't paid for installation, this is where the service will end. The movers will leave the safe on the curb. Don't worry though, you should be contacted first so you know that it's coming. If you paid for an install though, this is where the moving team starts giving you the royal treatment. That leads us to question number 2. What about your floors? Safe movers will typically do some prep work, laying down blankets, plywood, or other protection to keep the safe from damaging your floor. So how do they actually move that bad boy? With specialized equipment. Methods vary depending on the size and weight of the safe, but some common tactics include using slick sticks to slide the safe across the floor, using specialized dollies or pallet jacks because regular dollies will bend under a big safe's weight. And if the dolly has air tires, they may pop under the pressure. Using electric stair climbing dollies designed to carefully lift your safe up or down stairs. You can also choose to have your safe anchored into place. We highly recommend this. It just makes your safe much safer. Check with your safe company to see if that's a service they provide. If so, once the safe is in place, the team will anchor it down to the wood or concrete it's sitting on top of. This offers 2 benefits. Your safe won't tip over accidentally, and thieves can't tip it over to try to pry it open or steal it. So who's on cleanup duty? Nearly all moving companies will clean up for you. This includes hauling off the pallet, the box, and any other packing materials that kept your safe protected in transit. And that's pretty much it. Before we end the video though, we'd like to leave you with a word of caution. Delivery teams are specially trained and specially equipped to deliver and install safes into a home. They've had a lot of practice and are prepared to minimize the risks a falling safe poses to your property and to people moving it. In other words, we strongly recommend paying the extra for installation, rather than just buying some beer and pizza so your buddies can help you do it. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Catch you later.